I'm about to enter a live trade right now, but before we get into that, I gotta pick the winner for this month's 100K challenge. Now, don't be pissed off if you didn't win. We're gonna be doing this every month because you guys really liked it. So let's get into this winner right now. Babe, I need you to go through my channel and all the videos in July and just pick a random person who's gonna win this. Their fate is in your hands, no pressure.
In the comments.
Who's the winner?
I'm gonna just, there's a lot of you guys, I'm just gonna.
Yes, sir, we strong out here.
Ian420.
Ian420, shout out, bro. I hope you don't spend this on no weed, but I'm gonna send it to you. So what I need you to do is DM me what you wrote me in the comment. I'm gonna delete your comment right now, because if I don't, again, your people are gonna hit me up saying that they're you. So just DM me what you said, and I'm gonna get you right. I'm either gonna Cash App you, Zelle, Venmo, and everybody else, comment something down below, congratulate them, put hashtag 100K. We're starting the new challenge right now. Now let's get to the video. Okay, I'm entering right there. All right, gang, so we're up 500 right now. Since it's summer, I'm gonna be moving my stops to break even at a 1-on-1. It's definitely a 1-on-1 right there. I'll move my stops to break even. Put a little bit above break even. Let me put this back to a 1-3. Stops to break even. Boom. Getting out this fair value gap right here. All right, so that's a horrible close. It's probably gonna come up and take me out, but better be safe than sorry. Hopefully we can just whip fill this right now and mount. Yep, it's about to stop us out. All right, stopped out right there. All right, so if we tap into this, we'll be entering this trade. It should look like we are. Oh. All right, gang, so this is the trade that we're in. Now, this is the trade that I just got stopped out at break even. It was a valid trade. We went down to 1 and 2, but I won a 1 and 3. So I just wanted to come a little higher and hit this last zone up here. So I'm pretty sure we should drop now to 1 and 3. All right, we're getting a good push. Is this a 1-on-1 yet? Yeah, I think we're at a 1-on-1, so I'll move my stops to break even. All right, we're getting that good push. Hopefully we can keep going. And you can see on that last trade that I moved my stops to break even when I usually don't do that. But you gotta know what time of the year you're in, right? You gotta adapt. It doesn't matter how you feel. It doesn't matter what you like to do. If this time of the year is telling you that, you know what, this should be faking you out a lot, move your stops to break even, bro. All right, we're getting a great push right here. If this shit rejects, I'm gonna be sick. There we go, great push, great push. All right, so that's not 3K yet, so I gotta move this down more. Do that right there. Unless we start rejecting this wick right here, then we'll have a problem, but I think we're good. Oh, don't do me like that, big bro. Don't you start fucking rejecting like that. Bro, I'm finna be sick. This shit rejects all the way. Oh, but we do have a gap right there. I think we'll be good though. I think we're just trying to fake those people out. See, some people might be trying to trade right here. Right? We have a breaker structure, a gap. It looks great. Just gonna fake them out. No, I mean, that's what I'm guessing. You know, you can never predict the market. So if this shit starts rejecting crazy, I'll have to get out. But I'm pretty sure it's faking them out and it's gonna drop. Look, it's already dropping. I need my 3K though. 2K minimum, bro. I might just get out though because this is a huge candle and the next candle is probably gonna fill that shit right up. Just let me get my 2K, bro. But I know that shit wants to drop, but summer, bro, it's summer. Gotta remind yourself. Bro, I know this shit wants to drop. I'm just gonna take it. I'm just gonna take it, bro. I'm just gonna take it. All right, so we got a 1 and 2. That was hard for me to exit out because I know this motherfucker finna drop, at least to down here. But it's summertime. This shit does what it wants. So if you've been losing during summer, bro, don't beat yourself up about it. The markets be trash. You just need to double down on your risk management, bro. So if you never put your stops to break even, which I never did, you gotta start doing it at a 1-on-1, bro. Start trailing your stop loss under the recent highs, you know. Just follow your trade because in summer, nothing's promised, bro. They do what the fuck they want to do. So July and August are the worst. But this was a fire trade. 1 candle, drop, straight to TP. I never go for under a 1 and 3, but like I said, the time we are, we gotta adapt to this shit, bro. So even though I don't like it, they don't give a fuck how I feel. You just gotta adapt to the markets. Now, if this was like 2, 3 candles that hit TP, that I would have held it. But that one huge candle like that shit scares me, bro, because the next candle might just want to come and fill it up. So yeah, bro, that's it for today. I hope you guys got some knowledge out of this. We took a break even and we hit a 1 and 2. So, you know, this is just the reality of trading. It's not always how you like it.